Morning guys. I thought I would do a vlog today because I've got a lot to do and also I might go to tk.maxx, but the past couple of days or since I've noticed that I cannot escape people editing Liam paying content and stuff like that, and I got to the point that I just got too much. So since then I've tried to still go on social media but not go on it as often as I used to. Now I've not checked my screen time before and during now, but I've just been trying to do other things that I enjoy, like dot art, started colouring in. That's a big thing on TikTok right now, but I've started doing that. I need to start reading. I keep saying this. I've got thousands of books I keep on buying and I'm like, I need to read them. But this vlog is hopefully going to be a cozy vlog, because I said on my TikTok I want to become the cozy content creator. I don't know if I already am, but I don't feel like I give them vibes, even though I get told my voice is calming, even from my friends, and I'm like, why? But we're going to start off the day. It is nearly 11:30. We're going to start off the day, getting ready, tidying my room, because yes, it is a mess, but to be fair, the mess that it is, it could literally be 10 minutes. So we're going to crack on. I'm going to put you on a time lapse and let's do this. Just done a little get ready with me. This top is doing my heading, but this is Louis Tomlinson's merch. This is his logo, and this is the back. Subtle but cute. And this is the jacket, and I've paired it with these jeans. So this is the outfit of the day. Now I'm going to brush my teeth and get my makeup done, and then I'm going to be sending off the parcel and then going into town. They say they're extra large. On the label it says a large. But I'm just going by how I feel. The only problem is this bit here. It's a bit loose, but I think when I have jeans on it, shoes on it should be fine. These are tried on. They do not fit, but they are nice. I'm getting these ones. In the lift. I don't know if the bronze was actually quite nice or not. I don't know. I haven't been here since Valentine's Day, or that month. There's a massive carrot.
It's pretty smart. Oh my god, I mean look. It just looks sweet.
This is everything I got. I got a fluffy blanket again. And I got this frame that we're going to put up, and it's going to have a Taylor Swift photo in it. And then I got this one that says Dream. That's going up on my desk. And then this blanket's going downstairs, and I'm bringing the other one upstairs. And then I got these jeans that you saw me try on, and then I'll try the top on in a bit. So that's everything that I got from the shops. This is the top. Now, it actually has a fitted. I would still wear a sports bra with this because I've got a big chest. But it has got a fitted, technically, sports bra inside of it, like that bit there. So if you're flat chested, you could just wear that. But I think this is also like a gym top, so I could wear this working out as well. It feels quite comfortable, but I was more thinking as like a nice day out, like wear this top. And it's got a nice collar. I love them types of collars. I feel like it suits my body shape. But yeah, this is the top. Now I'm gonna go and sort my desk out as I change the lights and everything and put some stuff away, and then we're gonna do the photo frame. Okay, so I have a feeling I might need to change that one, but I'll be keeping the frame because the lining of it is a bit off. So I could get another one of these and put that one somewhere else. I don't know where yet, but I can put it somewhere else. But this is what it looks like. Looks like I've needed to like tilt it a tiny bit so that bit there is like on the wall, because if not it keeps on falling, but it is really good. I love it. And this is what it looks like when it is like dark. Still got the main light on, but you can kind of see the neon of it now that I've taken this bit off. But look how pretty it is. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm going to end this vlog off now, and then I'm just going to do a little tidy up of today. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It's probably a really long one, but I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gives you them cozy vibes and came shopping with me in tk.maxx and sent off a parcel today. It's been quite a productive day in a different way, like as a social media way. I've not filmed much TikTok content, but I haven't looked at the footage yet, but I think for this vlog it's been a productive vlog day, so you get the good quality content and stuff like that. So I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you with a brand new vlog soon. If you're not already, subscribe down below, like the video if you liked it, and comment down what bit was your favourite.